Today, we will introduce hot-fix rhinestone to you. Hot-fix rhinestone mesh fabric is a decorative material combining mesh substrate with heat-set rhinestone embellishments. Its key features include sparkling decorative effect, crystal, acrylic, or metal rhinestones are securely bonded to the mesh through heat pressing, creating dazzling light refraction, ideal for stage costumes and evening wear requiring high visual impact. Breathable, lightweight, base. The polyester or nylon mesh substrate maintains ventilation and stretchability, ensuring comfort even with full rhinestone coverage, perfect for high movement performances. Durable craftsmanship. High-quality eco-friendly adhesives ensure strong bonding, passing rigorous wash tests, typically 5 to 10 machine washes. Anti-oxidation treatment on stone facets preserves long-term shine. High design flexibility. Supports custom patterns, e.g., color gradients, logos. Mesh substrates can be matte, holographic, or specially coated for enhanced dimensionality. Widely used in fashion, footwear, and haute couture, this fabric excels in nightlife wear and concert costumes, where light interaction is key.
Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.